Today I welcome you my channel Maths by Yunas. Today we are going to discuss our new chapter coordinate geometry. So let's start our class. See what is the basic meaning of coordinate means. The basic meaning of coordinate means position. The basic meaning of coordinate is position. In what we do in coordinate geometry, just we have to locate the position of certain values of x and y. Now, in two-dimensional coordinate geometry, we generally use two types of system. First one is Cartesian system and second one is polar system. Now, in your syllabus, only Cartesian system are there. So, we only discussed Cartesian system. See, what is Cartesian system? In Cartesian system, we represent the point in order pair. Order pair means we have to represent the value in a coordinate form. You already studied in class 8, that is x and y. The value of x is certain values and value of y is certain one. Where x and y are the x-axis of coordinate and y-axis of coordinate. See, the order pair is always represented by xy. Xy means there are, suppose we have taken certain value 2, 3. In this, the value of x will be 2 and value of y will be 3. This is an ordered pair. Now, we can discuss from this. This is our a number line as we know that, and one is in this way. This is our x-axis represented by x and this is minus x-axis represented by x dash. Same as positive y-axis represented by y and negative y-axis represented by y dash. And we have to plot certain values. This is the right hand side, this is the left hand side. In right hand side all values are positive, in left hand side all values are negative. In upper y-axis all values of y is positive and in below all values of y is negative. Now see, and the point where both x and y value will be 0, it is known as origin. Now if you see, we have to divide all the system in 4 parts. This part is known as first quadrant, this part is known as second quadrant, and this third part is known as third quadrant, and this one is fourth quadrant. What is the basic meaning of quadrant means what? In first quadrant, if said the value of x and value of y both are positive. Whatever we value you have to plot in first quadrant, both values of x and y are positive. Always remember, in first quadrant the value of x and y in ordered pair both are positive. Now in second quadrant, value of x is negative but value of y will be positive in second quadrant. Now in third quadrant, the value of x is negative as well as value of y will be also negative in third quadrant, and fourth quadrant the value of x is positive and value of y will be negative. And you have to remember these quadrant, which value will be positive on which quadrant and which value will be negative on which quadrant. We have to learn these things by the formation of table. I hope this one is clear to you. Cartesian coordinate of a point. Cartesian, how we plot a point in that Cartesian coordinate. Coordinate of a point. See, suppose we have that Cartesian system. This is your x dash, this is your y, and this is your y dash. Clear? And we have to take certain points. That is a point P, x and y are in ordered pair. And this will be your 90 and this will be your 90. Clear? This is O and that point will be A and that point will be B. And this distance will be x and this distance will be y. See how we plot a point. Suppose this is a point, we have to plot on a that axis. P is x comma y. What we said, the length of the line OA, the length of the line OA is called x coordinate. That is abscissa of point P. What is abscissa? This x-axis, always remember, x-axis is also known as abscissa. Always remember. If certain values are there, we are question said you have to plot their abscissa and ordinate. And y-axis is known as ordinate. Always remember. Same as the length. Similarly, the length of the line OB. Similarly, the length of the line OB. This OB is what? This OB is y, is called y coordinate. Y coordinate or ordinate of P. See, the basic meaning of that is which value is here ordinate or which value is abscissa. We have to give some value. Suppose, and take an example. Suppose I have put value 2, 3 on a graph paper on a something axis. What we do? Just we have to mark this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Clear? And make a number line. This is origin 1, 2, 3. Same as you have to plot -1, -2 and -3. Same as in above 1, 2, 3. Same is in below -1, -2 and -3. See how we plot. The first value is always, remember, this is the value of x. X is 2. Where is x is 2? X is 2 is here. Just mark it here. And value of y is 3. Y is 3. If see both values are positive, and we learned from earlier lesson, if both values are positive, they will lie on a first quadrant. This is our first quadrant. This x value will be 2. It is a positive, and y value is 3. Itself a positive. 3 is here. Y x value of x is 2 here. Y is 3 is here. Just we have to plot in this way, and you have to mark as point P. That is 2, 3. This is the process. Simply, just we have to plot a number of x and plot the number of y, and just you have to match it with that line. This will be the representation of points on a Cartesian coordinate. I hope this one is clear.